I'm gonna grab some tools. Yeah, get B-roll, get pictures, get stuff. I think it's gonna rain. Good day to do this, huh? Whoa.
7. The top went backwards?
Don't make fun of me. Want to zoom in case an animal comes out of here? This is awkward. That's what I mean by it can be difficult to cut. Ugh. Oh no, I'm gonna make a mess. I gotta play the game. What the hell does that mean? No, get out of here, Spidey. Black Widow. Oops. I'll just leave it like this. It's fine. I'll deal with it. Just cut all that, Lauren. It's similar shots to the shots you got originally.
Yeah.
Shots, 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 shots. Everybody! Let me go home now, Lauren. Matt, you cannot go home. You need to stay here and make this video and fix this siding for your in-laws. Or else. Or else what, Lauren? Or else I'm not gonna be your friend anymore. Oh, okay, Lauren, I'm sorry. With the changes of the seasoning, gotta play the game. What the hell does that mean? Or if you have friends, I don't, they could help you. I don't need anybody. Now let's see if we can get this one in there. Where do I start? No point in rushing now. Get in there. Try and do it this way. I seen fire and I seen rain. Come on now, spin. Why is it not spinning? Okay, just need to spin it in there. Oh, it's this light. This was stupid. It's a stupid idea. I'd be sitting in the basement right now, editing. I should have just taken this siding off. It's just not going right here. Oh, I'm hitting a nail. Ah, how much of an overlap there. Sheesh. Just very tight right here. Nope. Gonna have to take this piece out. Whoa. I'm getting so frustrated. Why would you do it that way? Why don't you just do it this way? Blah, 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 blah. Siding can be sharp too, by the way. Just cut myself. God, that did not feel good. Oh my God. You're kidding me. Oh, this is so frustrating. Pull this down. Nope, cut that out. Ow, wrong nail. Urgh. Probably got that on camera, huh?
Sure did.
Oh. Fuck. This day sucks. Good luck editing this one, Lauren.